Affordable boho-style clothing and stylish dresses for under $40. That's what Fergarden promises. But is this online fashion store legit or just another risky website you should avoid? So Fergarden is an online clothing store selling women's fashion, including dresses, tops, jumpsuits, and casual outfits with bohemian or artistic designs. Prices are usually between $25 and $45, which makes the brand attractive to budget shoppers. There are a few positives. The site has a clean layout with stylish product photos and easy navigation. Some customers say the clothes are comfortable and unique for casual wear. The domain itself has existed for several years, which is usually a better sign than brand new scam stores. But there are also concerns. Some security scanners gave the website a very low trust score and advise caution. Customer feedback online is mixed, with complaints about long shipping times and product quality not matching photos. The company behind the site is not very transparent, and the owner details are hidden in domain records. So is Fern legit? It appears to be a real online clothing store, but not necessarily a highly trusted one. Reviews are mixed, and shoppers should be careful before ordering. The bottom line, Fern Garden isn't necessarily a scam, but because of mixed reviews, slow shipping, and transparency issues, it's safest to start with a small purchase and use secure payment methods. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.